All right, guys. I kind of want to put out a service bulletin on the 4-pinion wheel horse plate lockers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch my previous video on those. I've stumbled across a different variation of 4-pinion differential. This is out of my Lawn Ranger. It's a 3-speed out of my Lawn Ranger, and it has a 1-inch brake shaft, and it has stub axles that only stick out yay far. The other 3-speed that's just partially in that bucket over there, it has longer axles and a 3/4-inch brake shaft with 2 flats on it. And the differential out of it is like this, where you have the 5/8 holes for the side plates, and the original pinions are like this, and obviously my plates are this, and my pins are this. On this, similar but different. The gear's the same. You notice there's a roll pin. That's kind of interesting. But this only has 1/2-inch holes in the thing, and there's 1/2-inch pins on here. And the original pinions just have a 1/2-inch hole through them. You see they're different there. So I'm putting plate lockers in this because I want to actually beat on my own parts for once. Anyway, I made these. They just have a 1/2-inch hole through them. The shoulder distance is the same as those other pins. And they just slide on over here, and they take up the slack between the 1/2-inch pin and the 5/8 hole and plate lockers. So I made a couple sets of those. So if one of you guys has a transaxle that's like this, you should probably pull it apart and check that it's not like this. And if you buy one of my plate locker setups and you wind up with if you wind up with pins versus bushings, I'll be happy to swap you out. No problem. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, because as you can see, I'm learning something new every day. Recommended procedure for putting these together: if you can pull out all your pins and put them on one side, that's good. Put your plates over, put everything in here like this, and where the hell's my, there it is. Put your bowl gear on, set that on there, and then put this guy on down, slide it over your pins, and then drop your thing on there. And this is a little bit, obviously there's more parts, so it's a little bit more of a finicky setup, but it goes on there down just the same. And yes, you can use my bushings, which I mentioned in my other video in this, and that's a very good idea with these, with the 5/16, or just string a bolt through it, you know, bolt and washers, and clamp it all together. Up to you, really. But yeah, just want to put that out there for you guys.